valued customers in Negombo. We warmly welcome Honorable Chief Guest of the Negombo Municipal Council, Mayor Mr. H.P. Kurera. Mr. Kurera, please come and cut the ribbon to open the branch ceremonially. Guest of honor, Mr. H.M. Ekanaika, the Additional Director of Central Bank. ACL Board of Directors, Mr. Dilip Chavira, Mrs. Baroni Fernando, Mr. Tharu Amrutsikara. Mr. Dastiri, Madhava Madhavada, Mr. Peril, the Senior Superintendent of Police Negombo, Mr. Galak Patte, and our landlord, Mr. Nilantu Fernando, Mr. Nihanta Mulasinhan, and Mr. Anand Nierage from the Negombo Police. Mr. Ajit Priyanka, Mr. Somasiri, Shanika from Sun Insurance,
I would like to recognize the people who are behind the success story of Asia Commerce Limited. Actually, ACL was born 6 years ago out of a bold business concept envisioned by two young, outstanding personalities who had a clear vision and a passion for success. Since then, as the key members of the board, they have been instrumental in nurturing our institution into reckoning in the financial services map of Sri Lanka. These personalities also have etched many success stories in the annals of several other multidisciplinary businesses. Today they are at the helm, steering a very successful hybrid group of companies. They are none other than Mr. Dilip Jayavira and Varuni Amudagama Fernando. who are present here with us today. Our board has further been strengthened for better direction and drive by the inclusion of Mr. Sarva Amarasekara, another young, talented professional who has been effectively involved in the growth of Asia Commerce Limited. Also, we have as our chairman, Dr. Nalaka Godayeva, the chairman of Ceylon Tourism as well, who is an acclaimed business academic with a vision, and we are proud to have him as our chairman. Due to heavy business engagements, however, he has not been able to be with us here today. Then we also have Mr. Moksavi Prelis, a doyen of the banking industry, as a senior advisor who counts over 21 years experience as Director CEO of DFCC Bank and Nation Trust Bank. We have no doubt that our company can benefit from his abundant management experience. To add to the diversity, we have Mr. Tushan Wickramasinghe, Director CEO of Capital Trust Securities. He also sits with us in the advisory capacity. This company was the largest stockbroking firm in 2010 in terms of shares turnover. All of their commitment to extend our financial services to a wider section of clientele has made it possible for us to open this branch here in Negombo today. Why did we select to be in Negombo this soon? Because we have recognized the abundant business potential in this area. Negombo is home to a multi-ethnic, multi-religious population with cultural diversity. People are reputed to be very industrious. You are blessed with sun-drenched, beautiful golden beaches. And we know we have seen tourism and fishing industries thrive here. We could see the tourist hotels and the support businesses having a brisk day, which augurs well for the local economy. When the outlook is this bright, we are very happy to announce our presence here to be effectively contribute to the financial prosperity of the Negombo people. On our part, we have the financial expertise, commitment, desire to be of service to an increasing number of people and share in their prosperity. With regard to our services, we want to experience a difference. Our staff is trained to offer friendly, professional service to you. We possess the know-how to advise you on business matters. Approvals will be on fast track, which is a hallmark of our company. You will witness that these promises we offer you today would be translated into action tomorrow. To briefly mention our financial products, we offer financial leases, hire purchase loans, discounting of trade checks and bills, short-term loans, and margin trading facilities. We invite you to unravel your dream before us. We will help you to make it reality. You are assured of a very patient hearing from us. We are committed to excellence. We have a distinct culture in our company as well as our group. We are people friendly. Ability to delight you with our services is our strength. So we invite our potential customers today to join hands with us and move along the path of prosperity hand in hand. We thank the Honorable Mayor of Negombo, Mr. Corera, the Additional Director, Mr. H.M. Ekanayaka, and the Board of Directors of ACL and the advisors, and all of you being with us here to make this and grace this occasion. Last but not least, I thank all staff of ACL who has taken great pains and worked late hours to make this event a very successful one. Thank you.